Brazil is one of the world's leading sources of food ingredients. Coffee, açaí, cocoa, iconic food value chains with enormous untapped potential. Cellva was created to enhance value where it begins, by transforming underused ingredients already embedded in existing large-scale production systems. Cellva creates additional income for farmers at the origin without expanding agriculture or increasing environmental pressure. From day one, Cellva was built as an ecosystem, connecting origin, science, and industry across Brazil's diverse biomes, from southern Minas Gerais to the Amazon and beyond. With biotech at the heart of all we do, we turn overlooked potential into nourishing food that performs reliably at scale. For the consumer, food is culture. It should be delicious, affordable, and convenient. This is Cellva, creating real impact from origin to industry and bringing joy to everyday life. New food systems at work.